Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a bit more of a formal video rather than a vlog of a little activewear try on, not even little, $1,000 activewear haul and try on that my husband surprised me with. I did not know anything I was getting from one of the brands, Bombshell Sportswear, and I kind of had an idea of what I was getting from DFYNE. I have never ordered from Bombshell Sportswear before, so I didn't know what to expect at all. And I've ordered one pair of shorts from DFYNE from the Lawney collab, as well as a pair of their leggings. I'm pretty sure the Impact leggings is what I got in gray. And I really liked the quality of those two items, so I wanted to order from them again. So let's get into what I got. So I'm gonna start with DFYNE. He ordered me a 3-pack of their Origin scrunchies in Optic White, Light Rose Pink, and Midnight Black. I have never used scrunchies before. I know that's kind of weird, but I actually started using them the other night since this order came, and they're way better than I ever expected. Somehow my hair feels super secure in it, but it's not like pulling on my hair or anything. So highly recommend trying out the scrunchies if you've never used scrunchies before, because it was just so much better than I expected. I didn't really know what to expect. So, off to a good start. Then he got me this set. It is a halter style top in the color ink. It has this little "Let Nobody Define You" on the inside there. It has the little DFYNE logo here on the side, as well as on the back like that. And then the matching shorts in the same color, and once again it has the "Let Nobody Define You" on the inside there, and the logo there right on the back. It also has this contouring and no scrunch. They're shaped, you can tell that they're gonna shape your glutes super nicely. So I'm gonna pop these on and give you guys a look. Also, I'd like to mention that I got everything in a size small. I just stick to my true size. Usually I've always typically a small, so that's what I got everything in. I'm also not sponsored by any of the brands. All right, so this is the Impact halter top and Impact shorts in 4.5-inch length. And I was super excited about the top because I've never ordered from a fancier, like high-end gym wear top, other than I have one Lululemon one, and then the rest I have are from like Shein and Amazon dupes, and they just don't fit the same. They don't shape you the same. They don't have the same tightness and fit in the straps and stuff, I find. But this I was extremely pleased with. As soon as I put it on, it just completely shapes you nicely, form fit. And I love the open style back with the halter top, as well as the shorts, obviously, that match, although I can, of course, mix and match this top or the shorts with other tops and other shorts that I already own. But like I said, you can see all the different places where the branding is, there and there, and it just fits really nicely. So I would definitely say stay true to size in these items if you're looking to order. I also got their new signature wide leg jogger, as well as the signature quarter zip sweater hoodie thing. I got these in a size small as well. I didn't notice or check on the website if there was a short version of these, but I'm like 5'3", and these are quite long, so I wouldn't have hated if they were a little bit shorter, but that's fine. And the fit overall is a little bit baggier than I expected for a size small, so maybe I would size down in these, but I can tie them up with the string here, and I think it's supposed to be a bit of an oversized fit anyway. And then the hoodie, this is in the color gray marl. I do love the logo on the leg and the back, nice and large print, so it's more of an oversized casual kind of cover up start of your workout look. So it might even shrink a little bit in the dryer, but I do like it. I just wish the pants were a little bit shorter so that I wouldn't be dragging them on the floor. I can always roll them up though. But overall, I also like this. I would love to snag it in the espresso color they had, but that was sold out. But this is also a nice color. It also has this nice pouch. I can hold my phone or something in it. So love that. Now let's move on to the Bombshell. So all of the Bombshell things were 100% a surprise. I had no input on what my husband bought me, so I was excited to see what he chose for me. So one of the items are these gym underwear that you're not supposed to see any lines or anything through your gym pants. Obviously, I'm not going to be trying these on, but he did get it for me in black, white, and beige. So that's the beige color, and it does say Gymkini on it in little silver writing, and the white. And then he did 3 outfits for me. So he got me these leggings. These are called the V-butt lift leggings in the color Georgia Peach. They have the little logo here on the bottom ankle of the left leg. Color's pretty. It's a bit of like a heathered light peachy color. And then to go with this one, he got me the scrunch tank bra in the color terracotta. There's the little logo on the back. I really like the calligraphy of the logo, the B. And the packaging of the Bombshell stuff was also super fancy and pretty. Look how shiny. And the little bag was so fancy with its little buttons. I was like, I almost want to keep it. So I'm gonna go pop this on and I'll be right back to show you. All right, so this is how this outfit looks on and put together here with Luke, my red golden retriever. And overall, I would say I really do like this one as well. The leggings fit really nicely. I do like that little V detail in the back. It's really cute, as well as the cute little logo on the ankle. The only thing about the sports bra is that I think I probably could have sized down to an extra small in it. It is a little bit looser, but I also think that the small fits and it's comfortable and it's not pinching me anywhere or making my skin like overhang. So the small probably was a good overall choice. I just wouldn't really feel like super secure running in it, but I don't run anyway, so it's fine. So I would say I am happy with this outfit and his choice of outfit for me. Next up, we're going to try Physique leggings in the color Iris. Again, it has the logo here on the bottom left ankle. And then the Core Comfort tank in the same color Iris. And it has like a cute little strappy open back. And then it has the logo on the back here. So I'm gonna go pop this one on to give you guys a look. All right, so this is this outfit. I love, love, love the color. Honestly, gonna let you in on a little secret. I sent him a post of a girl I follow on Instagram, Julia Perez, and she was wearing this outfit or something of this color, and I sent it to my husband and I was like, the color is amazing. And then all of a sudden he was asking me, what size do you take in gym wear? And so I thought I might be in for a little treat. So ladies, send your husbands gym wear to get the idea in their heads. So I love the length of this top. Size small, definitely for both, fits me just how I like my clothes to fit. These leggings are slightly less compressive than the other pair, but not too much of a difference. And then once again, we have the logo here on the back and on the lower left ankle. And I think, like I said, the color is just super beautiful. I love the detail of the open back with the straps crossing like they do. And I just think it's a very flattering outfit that would look good on pretty much anybody, I would say. And then lastly, he got me this outfit, not necessarily for the gym, but for just kind of casual lounging around at home, or maybe running out to the store to pick up something, or taking Luke for a WALK. We haven't gone yet, so I can't tell him, or he'll be begging me to go for the rest of the video. But this is the snap top and snap rib shorts. So the top is quite cropped, but it does have this really nice hardware on the back that's got the Bombshell Sportswear logo, and it's nice and shiny. And then we have the shorts to go with it, with the cute little snapback, little tie in the front, and again, the little hardware with the logo and brand name. So I'm going to throw this on, and it'll be the last little part of this activewear haul and try on video. All right, so this is that final, more casual, not necessarily gym outfit on. And now the sun's coming out, so I'm gonna especially look like a ghost. Excuse and my apologies for my very pale, untanned winter version of my skin. I could stand a tan right about now. We're in the very beginning of April, when I'm at my most winter uglies state. The girls who get it will get it. But hopefully the sun will start to come out so that I can get some color into me. Anyways, I really like this for a casual little cute outfit. The shorts also have pockets, very important to note. They're very comfortable. The top is quite cropped, so the only thing I would note is that if you're going to be having your arms up a lot, to be a little bit aware that you might end up exposing a little bit of underboob. So if that's not your thing, maybe size up in the top or skip this outfit. But overall, very cute, very casual, very comfy for once we get into hopefully warmer weather here soon. So thank you so much for being here and watching. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up to let Joey know he did a great job picking out all these outfits for me, and make sure you let me know that you enjoyed the video. Leave me a comment and let me know which was your favorite outfit overall, and also let me know in the comments which other gym wear brands or activewear brands that I should try out next, because I haven't ordered from Gymshark in years, since they like kind of first started. Around 8 years ago was probably when I placed my last order with them. So I would interested in trying them out again. I've also never ordered yet from Honor Active, but I've seen lots of nice things coming out of that brand. I always like Alpha Elite's Amplify shorts, but I've never tried any of their tops or anything. So just let me know if you have any suggestions of what I should try next. And if you're not subscribed already and you like videos like this, or like my casual vlogs, or whatever random other things that I might get up to, make sure you subscribe if you're not already. And I'll see you guys all in the next one. Thank you for being here. Bye guys.